I bought this Swasher Pro a couple weeks ago. I wasn't going to install it until the spring, but last night my tail sweep cover fell off. Now I'm going to get it, but I don't think it's broken, but you can see the foam on there is deteriorating. I'm not against foam. In fact, the foam is nice if you're prepared to replace it every 2 months. That said, let me show you the alternative. Okay, I have retrieved the foam. I usually don't let it get this bad. Certainly was negligent there. So again, these are replaceable. This piece is not broken. Just snaps on. Not really sure why that fell off, but it did. But right now, we're going to replace it with this Swasher Pro. So first step is to remove this nub at the end, and I will save this for future projects. Okay, all right, see if I can remember how to do this. First is you want to take this piece. Again, the arrow's pointing this way, which means the recessed is on this side, and this is the flush side. You're gonna put flush side down the hose, and then you're gonna take this nozzle and just force it in. All right, then we take this piece, again, arrow pointing up the hose, and I'm going to clamp it on the hose above it. And then I believe just pulls, oh wait, before we do that, we pull this down until it snaps. There we go, that heard the snap. Now, this piece slides down over top of it, and then you're gonna grab the swasher. That little jet propulsion area right there is the back. So look for that arrow, again, pointing up the hose. These little nubs right there, right there, and right there, and right there, and right there, all the way around, you wanna put them right next up against the fin. So adjacent to the fin, which will allow them to then slide into these little holes right here. So you see the nub, I'm gonna put it on the top side of this fin, and then when I push it in, it falls into that hole right there, which will keep it holding on. So that's it. We have now installed